In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Flow Scene Builder. We'll start in a browser and work all the way through arranging, refining, and exporting a clean, continuous video. First, open your browser and search for Google Flow Scene Builder. Scan the results and click the official link so you land on the correct product page before moving on. Once you're in the right place, click Create with Flow. This takes you into the platform where the actual scene creation happens. Next, click Flawless New Project to open your creative workspace. You'll see a canvas for previews, tools for editing, and a timeline where clips will be placed. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout so you can move quickly later. Now, generate content. Use the available controls to produce the initial shots you want in your scene. Start with short, clear ideas so you can iterate quickly. It's fine if your first pass is rough. You'll refine it in the next steps. If a shot ends too abruptly, click Extend. This analyzes the final frames and generates a seamless continuation of the action, preserving motion and lighting so the moment flows naturally instead of cutting off. You can also use natural language to insert or remove objects without changing the rest of the scene. Write concise, specific instructions and keep the request focused on a single change for the most reliable results. To reshape a shot's movement, use the camera adjustment tool. Nudge the position, orbit around a subject, or add a gentle dolly. Subtle changes tend to feel more cinematic, so preview often and keep tweaks small. When a clip looks good, right-click over the video and choose Add to Scene. This places the clip on your timeline so it's part of the overall sequence you're building. Tip: if you open a video, you can right-click and save frame as image for thumbnails or reference stills. Click the film icon at the top right to open the Scene Builder view if it isn't already visible. This is where you'll assemble everything. Click Arrange at the bottom right, then drag and drop clips to reorder them until the story flows the way you want. Select any clip on the timeline and use the handles on the left and right edges to set precise start and end points. Trim overlaps, tighten pacing, and leave a few extra frames for transitions if needed. Press play to preview the timeline. Browser playback might look a bit jumpy, but don't worry, the final download will be smooth. When you're happy, click Download on the right side of the Scene Builder. This merges all your clips into one continuous video file, ready to share.